Hey, welcome back to the channel, Mathieu here. In today's episode, we're going to be touring the Saw 2, the plan by the Premier Home Company here in Granite Bay. It's a 3-bedroom, 2.5 bath, about 2,300 square foot of living space, and we're right off Douglas Avenue. Before we go in, before we jump in, I want to show you a little bit the community. There are kind of last phases of the house. I toured this community because a client of mine wanted to see a little bit more what's going on with this specific plan, the plan number 2. So that's the plan we're going to be touring today. And it looked like they're going to be building the community centers. And from the look of it, they're going to have a massive pool, probably right here. Gorgeous facade, 2-car garage. Let's go inside. I love this double sliding door for your office. Gorgeous little space. You have enough room for a nice office, a view of the front of the house. A nice little open concept here. Obviously, TV on the wall. You have your dining room space. Upstairs is going to be the bedroom. In the living room, you have enough for your nice couch, TV on the wall, double windows, a lot of windows for all your natural lights that come into this room. You even have your gas fireplace insert. You have a fairly tall ceiling. I'm 6'1", and so probably a 9-foot, 10-foot ceiling. Check out, you can do some serious cooking here. Look at all this counter space in the back. All these appliances are white. Oh, no water. I wonder what this stuff is. Oh, this is fancy stuff. Check this out. This is to clean your glasses. One mini sink, and you have a larger sink right here with your dishwasher and a view with your cozy backyard. Love these finishes. It's like the brass color. And you even have a mini window. Check this one out. You can put fake plants right here. Serious cooking with this stove. Pot feeders, always a nice addition. Strange. Cool, check this out. So obviously it's 100 degrees now, but you can open up and you can really connect to the outdoor to the indoor. Being a smaller space, I think they thought out quite a bit of everything else. Inside this backyard, you have your dining room, your fireplace, TV on the wall for the game on Sunday. And even a little waterfall. You can maybe, I don't know what you do with this little waterfall, but it's a cool little feature. All right, let's go back inside. It's 100 degrees outside, so I don't want to cook. On the same level as this TV over here, we have a half bath. Oh, let's continue on with the tour. You have the first bedroom right off the top of the landing. Check out for guest bedroom. This closet is actually pretty big walk-in closet here. Your laundry space with side-by-side washer dryer, your sink to pre-wash your clothes, a ton of storage on top with a lot of cabinetries also here, and a funny and interesting design pattern on the floor. So quite a good design element just for the laundry space alone. Second bedroom, the first full bath of this house. Large mirrors, a 2-sink vanity, gorgeous amount of storage underneath here, and a nice walk-in shower. Man, this is very smooth. Check out how smooth this is. This master suite is on living room here up in the front. It's a Probably you can do a workout room, a mini movie room just for you, and you have the master suite right here. And if you don't want to hear the TV while you're sleeping, you can always close the door. This beautiful barn door here. This is a nice master suite. King size bed here. Love this wallpaper through an entire house. A different kind here, huh? Light fixtures. 2 nightstand, 1 and 2 over there. I think you can play with it and kind of move around, and you can have extra office and a terrace, maybe a 3rd bedroom downstairs. I don't think this is standard. And we're finishing off with the rest of the house with the master suite. Not only you have one sink right here, but you have a second sink around the corner and one walk-in closet, second walk-in closet, freestanding tub. This is a nice shower. I can't even touch barely touch the side here. Faucet, I don't know which one is turning what. It looks like it's locked. I don't know, maybe it's for hardcore. Oh shoot. I was playing downstairs at the sink and I wasn't expecting to have water actually coming out. I am not going to check out the pressure. Well, that's it guys. I hope you enjoyed this video tour of the Soul number 2 by Premier in Granite Bay. If you have any question about this property, all the listing information is in the description down below, so feel free to check it out. And if you want to see something else, pick one of these 2 video tours. I hope you enjoyed this video and we'll see you on the next one. See ya!